Hello everyone, welcome back to Galaxy Station. Today I am using my iPhone SE 2020 and this phone just received a minor software update iOS 26.2.1. First, let me start the download. While it's downloading in the background, I will explain everything you need to know about this update, whether it's safe, what you will gain, and what you should be careful about. As you can see, the download has been starting. Now let's talk about the update. iOS 26.2.1 is a minor update released by Apple. This is not a major feature update like a full iOS version. Instead, this type of update mainly focuses on bug fixes, system stability, compatibility improvements. So if you are expecting big UI changes or big features, this update is not about that. While Apple does not always list every details, iOS 26.2.1 mainly serves to improve overall system reliability, fix background bugs, improved accessory and connectivity behavior. These small updates are important because they prepare your phone for future updates and keep the system stable over time and maintaining the compatibility with newer accessories. If you don't see any changes, a lot of things can happen behind the scene. Now this is something you must know before installing the update. Apple has stopped signing iOS 26.2. This means once you update to iOS 26.2.1, you cannot downgrade back to iOS 26.2. So, this is a one-way update. That's why I always say understand the update before installing. While the update is downloading, let me quickly remind you some basic precautions for every software update. Keep the battery charge above 50% or connect to the charger. Use a stable Wi-Fi connection. Make an iCloud or computer backup for all of your important files and ensure your device has enough free storage. These steps help avoid update failures or data loss. Now the most common question, is it safe to update? For most users, yes, obviously it saves. The benefits are bug fixes and smoother system behavior, better long-term software stability, improved compatibility with Apple service and accessories. Possible downsides for some users might include no major new features, obviously no downgrade option after updating, and if iOS 26.2 was already stable for you, changes may feel minimal. So this update is more about maintenance, not excitement. Once the download will finish, the phone will verify the update and restart automatically. At that stage, just make sure your phone stays connected, you don't touch anything, battery doesn't vanishes, and don't interrupt the process. The installation process usually takes a minute. So, should you update? If you want system stability and future proofing, yes. If you prefer staying on the latest official version, yes. Just remember, no downgrade is possible. So, my recommendation, update after backup. Please don't be in a hurry. So that's my initial take on iOS 26.2.1 on the iPhone SE 2020. Let me know in the comments, have you already updated or are you waiting? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Galaxy Station and I will see you in the next video.